these restrictions lifted because of these deportees from the United States that we received in this country?
So I have told you that we initiated talks. We said that, look, we are a responsible government. We will not allow our people to suffer. Yes, you have told us that it's because of visa oversight. You've showed us the data. We will not leave it. We want to negotiate with you. So we want you to engage us. And then they said I could come over to the State Department, which I did. Now, in the course of the negotiations, the Americans said, okay, you want something from us. And I put other things on the table. That is not only the visa waivers. That was, remember that it was around the same time that he had also begun the tariff wars. 15% tariff on Ghana. Some say that we were quite lucky. And then we had AGOA. No clarity on whether AGOA will be extended or not after September. So we put all of these things on the table. Now, they said, okay, you have come to us with what you want. You want us to reverse the visa restrictions. You want AGOA extended. You want us to relook at the 15% tariff. We are also now dealing with immigration challenges. We have all of these people who are in prisons. We are holding them in various ICE facilities. So we want you to help us to deal with this issue. So I immediately consulted with President Mahama. Then there were cabinet discussions on the matter. Then Ghana said that, look, we are not going to accept Venezuelans, Mexicans, and all of this wholesale deportation all over the place. Within our ECOWAS protocols, our sub-regional legal regime, West Africans can travel without visas to West African countries. So we are going to make the case that, look, if you have some West Africans, in any case, we are not happy that our fellow compatriots are in this distress. They are being held up, they are in cages, they are being dumped elsewhere, places that they are not accustomed to, they don't have relatives, they can't integrate. So we will accept only West Africans under the principle of Pan-Africanism and regional solidarity. So that is how we amended, you know, the US request. Because you notice that other countries are accepting people from just anywhere. We said that no, in the spirit of Pan-Africanism, we will accept West Africans. In the case of Ghana, when they did the analysis and they showed me the data, we had exceeded the 15% to 21%. And they have the names. They know the students, they know where they are. They have the data. Then there was a second category of those who travel on government delegations, and the full government delegations do not return. So, for example, you're traveling with a minister or a presidential delegation from Ghana to the US, say, to attend an event, a UN event, or a conference, or whatever. They go and they don't come back. And then some don't come back, which is really strange. And I don't think that we should tolerate this and accept this. So in a sense, over the years, we have also not conducted ourselves very well. We have not come out, you know, squeaky clean when it comes to these visa matters. And that is why President Mahama has been urging, I have also been urging the Ghanaian traveling public that let us respect immigration laws, let us abide by the terms of our visas so that we don't create problems for everybody else. So a few people who will travel out and refuse to come. If you want to stay, there are processes to go through to legitimize your stay to be a permanent resident. But don't just abuse your visa. It creates problems for everybody else. So we will continue with the public education. So in the case of Ghana, this is what happened. Now, when this happened, as foreign minister, I promptly opened negotiations. You'll recall that I immediately flew to the State Department and sought audience with the Undersecretary of State for Political Affairs, Her Excellency Alison Hooker. the Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, asked that we engage her and that she was in charge of this matter. That was her schedule.
Right.
We commenced negotiations immediately. Now, we could have said that this new administration could have said that, look, this is not our doing. We have been told that this is a historical matter over a 10-year period of overstays. And people will probably have thought that we will engage in blame games. We didn't do that. We took responsibility, full responsibility, and on President Mohammed's blessings, we decided to open negotiations. Now, let us remember that diplomacy is always about negotiations, always. Countries want things from each other. I want something from you. You also want something from me. So when we gave clear indication that Ghana is ready to negotiate, we will not accept this, because within days, and you know, this happened at such a difficult time, July, when students were preparing for the August-September, the new academic year.
Yeah.
And you know that because of language and the quality of education in the US, Ivy Leagues and all of that, we have a good number of Ghanaians who, you know, continue to study in that country. So students were stranded, parents were worried, businesses were affected. Seafarers, I received petitions from seafarers. You know, it was affecting their jobs. So there was really no way that a foreign minister, a government, a president who cares about their people will just allow this and say that, look, it's not only Ghana, 36 countries, and so let's live it.
Were these restrictions lifted because of these deportees from the United States that we received in this country?
So I have told you that we initiated talks. We said that, look, we are a responsible government. We will not allow our people to suffer